Hi friends, welcome back to Playtime Creative Time. Now we're gonna be drawing together. In this video, we're gonna be drawing an apple. First, let's draw the stem. A little circle or oval for the top, and then a curved line to finish the stem. And a curve. That's for the top of the apple. Now let's start drawing the apple. Just a curve on the left, a big one, and another one on the right, so we can make the shapes a little bit similar, the right and the left one. And then we connect. And next, let's draw the leaf. And then let's make a pattern inside the leaf. It's very easy, right? Now actually it's done, but we're gonna use color red for the apple, and we're gonna draw like a crescent shape. We're gonna leave it white and color all the apple red. If you want to use green or other color, you may do so. The white part is the apple shining reflected the light, and brown for the stem, and finally green for the leaf. That's it. It's really nice, right? Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you next time.